Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get unbanned from the Ome TV. Let's get started. Why you get banned? Ome TV bans users based on their IP address, not your account. So even if you didn't do anything wrong, someone using the same IP might trigger the ban. And how to fix this? Simple. Change your IP using a VPN. To get started, you'll need a reliable VPN. I've tested dozens and recommended these top 3. Number 1 is the Express VPN, number 2 is the NordVPN, and number 3 is the Surfshark. Each one works great with Ome TV and that fits different budget and needs. So let me walk you through it quickly. First, open your VPN. I'll use an Express VPN in this demo. Then, if you're banned using your US IP, switch to a different region. Let's say it's France. Then connect it to the server. Confirm your IP has changed using an IP checker site. Now, go back to Ome TV. You are treated as a new user from France and the ban is gone. A VPN does more than just unban you. It encrypts your data, it hides your location, helps in torrenting and secure browsing, and it bypasses a geoblocks on streaming platforms. So even after fixing your Ome TV ban, it's still super helpful. And most VPNs come with a 30-day money-back guarantee so you can try risk-free. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.